In this video, you will discover an amazing opportunity where you can earn $1,000 plus per month in residual income with 98 Unlimited, a proven passive income stream for beginners, whether you're just starting out in your online journey or looking to boost your income streams. This video right here is the ultimate guide. You will learn what 98 Unlimited is, how it works, step-by-step instructions on how to get started, tips and tricks to maximize your earnings, real-life examples, real proof that this passive income strategy works, and it works for everyone the same way, and my fast start bonuses should you decide to partner with me and allow me to help you make money online. Don't miss out on this chance to learn how to make passive income online. Subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to make money online and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any updates. All right, are you ready to change your financial future? Let's get started. The income results on this video are not typical. These are my results, and in no way do I guarantee or imply that you will get these results, if any at all. Passive income has been a game changer for me, and with 98 Unlimited, it's never been more accessible for brand new beginners online. I started my journey with 98 Unlimited back in March of 2021, and I managed to go from zero to earning more than $10,000 per month in residual income with 98 Unlimited in a very short period of time. And I actually did that twice. Let me explain. Late in 2022, I had 2 full knee replacement surgeries, and these were like 8 weeks apart. So I had one knee done, and then 8 weeks after that, I had the other knee done, and I wouldn't recommend having those full replacement surgeries back to back. But anyway, during my recovery in physical therapy, my passive income stream, 98 Unlimited, went way down because I wasn't working my business. Long story short, I made a full recovery, and my knees are great, and I feel fantastic. I can walk forever without any pain. Now, 6 months ago, I started promoting 98 Unlimited again, and I went from zero to $10,000 per month in a very short period of time for a second time. So I know this works, and I know it works for brand new beginners. It's a reliable residual income that anyone can do. And incidentally, I recorded a 3-part video training series that shows you step by step and click by click how you can successfully generate passive income with 98 Unlimited, even if you haven't made a dime online. And I will leave that training series at the end of this video for you to watch. All right? So what exactly is 98 Unlimited and how does it work? Well, I want to break it down for you right now in super easy to understand terms, like I always do, so you can make an educated decision whether or not this is a good fit for you, okay? What is 98 Unlimited? 98 Unlimited is a plug-and-play automated marketing system that allows you to earn $98 commissions over and over again. These are 100% commissions paid directly to you, and these $98 payments are residual and will be paid to you month after month. And I like to call it a reliable residual income. It's going to allow you to create a monthly passive income starting from day one. The system was created in April of 2019 by Frank and Laura Vingiano. Frank and Laura spent 20 years in the network marketing industry creating successful teams in various MLM businesses. All that changed when the company they were promoting suddenly closed. They lost thousands of dollars in monthly passive income. So they created their own program called 98 Unlimited. 98 Unlimited is a complete automated marketing system. Everything is included, and it's specifically geared for brand new beginners online with zero experience. You're going to get multiple capture pages, a high converting video sales page, your own autoresponder with an automated follow-up email series, step-by-step training tutorials, proven traffic sources, and a complete back office where you can track your sales. And you can see all these benefits when you click the very first link in the description of this video. And the support is phenomenal. Frank and Laura do a fantastic job with support, and they're always updating the system and keeping it fresh. And that's the reason why this system has been so successful for going on 6 years. Okay, let's talk about the products. What are the products? The products inside 98 Unlimited are e-learning educational digital products in the marketing and health niche. There's 5 unique product modules, and a few of those are exclusive to 98 Unlimited. Let's take a look at one of those. Product number 1, the Digital Marketing Tool. It's a 21-page A to Z guide that walks you through step by step on how you can start earning this passive income in 2024 and beyond. It has a lot of tips and tricks to help you have success with 98 Unlimited. All right, how do we get paid? How do we actually earn these $98 commissions? Well, the process is very simple. You will promote the system with your capture page using a variety of proven marketing methods. You'll get a full marketing suite of tools that will allow you to promote 98 Unlimited to the masses. You can market using postcards, classified ads, banner ads, solo ads, YouTube, flyers, drop cards, and social media. We have absolutely free ways to market this system and paid marketing methods. We also have a complete, hands-free, done-for-you marketing portal where you'll be able to send out postcards and solo ads at the click of a button. And here's how the system flows. Once a prospect opts in, they'll be redirected to the company presentation, and that will explain all the FAQs to them. It does all the selling and telling for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Your prospects will also receive a series of follow-up emails sent from you via the autoresponder that comes with the system, and it's a free autoresponder. So again, this is a complete plug-and-play marketing system. And I really believe that this is the best system for making reoccurring passive income in 2024 and beyond. You'll get paid $98 per sign-up, plus $98 per month thereafter, as long as that person stays in the system. And most people stay in the program between 4 and 6 months. We also have something brand new that just took into effect not too long ago. And it's a way for you to get even paid more money. Now, your prospects have the option to pay up front for 3 months and get 2 months free. So, if they take advantage of that option, you'll be paid $294 instantly, directly to you. And I receive these $294 payments all the time. And in my 15 plus years of being in this space, I truly believe that this system is the best way for brand new beginners or seasoned marketers to create passive income online. And another great feature is the company does not touch your money. Members pay you directly. Okay, how much does this cost? So in order for you to start earning these $98 payments, you're going to have to join 98 Unlimited. And it's super easy to do that. There's just a one-time admin fee of $39.95. Then you will pay your sponsor $98, then $98 per month, as long as you promote this system. And you can cancel anytime. Or you can take advantage of the special and pay the one-time admin fee of $39.95, then $294 to your sponsor. This is going to give you a whole 5 months with 2 months free. That's $196 savings. And there's even a way to join without spending a penny out of your own pocket. And here's how you do it. So you've got $39.95 plus $98. That's $137.95. And you're going to put this money on a credit card. So what this allows you to do is leverage yourself into a business without taking 1 penny out of your own pocket. The credit card company gives you a 30-day line of credit. This gives you 30 days to work and start building your business. And with all of our tools, training, and proven resources, and presto, Your business has been paid for through the power of leverage. I love that. Now, really quickly, I want to talk about my fast action bonuses, should you decide to join me in 98 Limited. All right, let's talk about my exclusive team bonuses. Should you decide to partner with me in this amazing, proven, passive income stream. Now, this proven system has been around for almost 6 years, so that's why we call it a proven passive income system. Now, when you click the link, the very first link in the description of this video and put your information in, you will come to this page right here. And the very first thing is a video that shows exactly how I went from $0 to $10,000 per month. Okay, and then we scroll down. I want to get to my team bonuses, and I have a lot of them. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to skim through these really quickly, but I really want you to opt in and check this entire page out because there's a lot here. I really set you up for success. Okay, so the very first one, I want to kind of expand on this because this is a super good deal right here, because I'm going to actually pay for your traffic for 60 days. Absolutely free. I'm going to reach into my own pocket. I'm going to pay for traffic, really top tier 1 traffic. We're going to put your capture page link in my team rotator, and you'll get top tier 1 traffic from one of my very favorite solo ad vendors, Alessandro Sierra. Okay, now I'm not sure how long I'm going to do this because, again, I'm actually paying for this traffic right out of my pocket for you. And when you come to this page, just give this a click and you can watch a little video that explains everything. And I have, again, there's too many bonuses here, and I'm just going to skim through them really quickly, but I really want you to check this page out. You'll learn about my exclusive team training site with my online and offline marketing methods, Dan's Mega Swipe File, my 2024 Craigslist training, which includes the ads, my 101 instant traffic sources, how to create the daily sales, Dan's audio library to improve your mindset. You will get an exclusive team welcome email for your team members and the ability to offer all of these bonuses to them as well. You'll get exclusive team banner ads, 200 pre-written ads for classified advertising, 5 free websites to advertise daily, and free ad submission software to help you post ads. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, top tier 1 traffic on me absolutely free for 60 days. Making $1,000 a month in residual income with 98 Limited is a realistic goal that's within reach for anyone, regardless of their background or experience. By partnering with the right people and using a proven system, a proven automated system that's been around for over 5 years now, you can start generating passive income that can change your life. So have you ever tried to generate passive income online, or is this something brand new to you? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to check out all the FAQs about 98 Limited and to see my team bonuses, click the very first link in the description of this video and you'll learn all about it. All right? Hey, I appreciate you watching this video. We'll see you next time.